Hi guys! Today we have a very special video. This is my friend Leanna
Hi everyone!
Mini and Me Crafts, and today she's going to show me some really fun indoor activities I can do with Sebastian, you can do with your toddler, you can do with your kids, that are going to be super easy to do with things you already have at home.
Paint. Are you ready to paint?
Yeah.
All right. So one of the things that we're gonna do today is paint with fruits and veggies. So this is an awesome activity to do with your kids. It's actually a rainy day in LA, so it's a perfect activity to keep this little one busy.
For sure, because he is an active child. I need to keep him busy.
And we've already started painting, but that's okay. So you just open your fridge, see what you have in there. You'd be surprised at the things that you can paint with. So for example, we have oranges, we have apples, broccoli, celery, and lemons. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these up and get Sebastian started.
I would have never thought that I could use these to paint with. I love it.
Yep, so stay tuned. We're gonna cut these up and have Sebastian paint away. All right, Sebastian, so we're gonna start. Why don't we take our apple? So you can see there's kind of like a little star shape and flower shape inside, which is awesome. So Sebastian, can we take some paint?
Sebastian, you wanna paint the apple?
Dip in the paint and paint. There we
go. I love this. I would have never thought to use fruits and veggies and things that I have at home. I just keep buying canvases and I'm like, go to town. And then it's like I have a million canvases. I'm like, where am I going to put these?
I know. Well, there's so many tools inside the house that you never even really think of. So today we'll just kind of go through some ideas of things you guys can do at home. Can you do it? Let's keep painting.
Wow.
Good job. All right.
I think he's even like, wow, I can do this, Mom?
Look. Are you ready, Sebastian?
Cool.
We're gonna stamp away now. So once you cover your fruit or veggie with paint, just like this, you're gonna now take it and have your little one stamp away at the canvas.
Okay, let's stamp the canvas. Look.
Can we stamp over here?
Good job. Now put it on the canvas. He's like, wait, Mom, I'm not. Oh.
Let me show you. Let's get in the paintbrush. Okay, can you go like this? Look.
Look at what we're gonna do.
Look, Mama. Look, you're gonna go like this. Ready? Can we stamp? Give me your
hands.
Wow! Give me your hands. Go like this. Okay, you're gonna push, 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 push. Okay, can we pick it up? Let's pick it up.
Cool!
See, you made a circle. Can we do it again? There you go. Pick it up. There we go.
Wow!
Is that fun? Let's do it again.
Face.
Yeah!
Wow!
Okay, should we try another fruit now?
Yeah! Should we try celery?
Oh, looks like he wants to keep going. Yay! All right, let's try celery.
He loves veggies, guys.
Well, this is one good way of getting your little one to try fruits and veggies. So,
okay, it's like I'm gonna get all the colors in.
There we go. Good job.
This is such a perfect rainy day activity, or just like activity to do with your kids if you're stuck at home. A few days ago, I didn't have a car because my car was in the shop, and I'm like, what am I gonna do with Sebastian all day long, being trapped at home? And this is just such a great activity.
All right, can we cover? So we got half of it covered. Let's get some
more. You want to do some more? Over here, love. Over here.
And celery actually makes like the most beautiful roses. So something you'd never think of.
That's cute.
So if you look at it and you just gotta bunch it together with a rubber band and then use it as like the perfect little stamp.
This is also really good to do if like your fruits and veggies are going bad and they're no longer good to eat. You just use them to paint with.
All right, you wanna try to stamp this now?
Wow.
Let's stamp it. Here. Let me have your hands. All right, let's do it right here. Ready? 1, 2.
Cool.
Almost. I think we gotta get some more paint on that. Let's try right here. There we go. We can paint with that side.
Okay, we're on to broccoli now.
Here,
let's try this side, Sebastian.
Sebastian, let's get some paint.
Look.
There we go. We'll just dip it, and now you make little...
He's just like, I'm gonna paint the broccoli itself. Okay, what's this one?
So this activity is basically painting with rocks, right? So if you ever go out for walks with your little one, the best thing you can do is pick up some leaves, pick up some rocks, come
back.
Which
he already does, so this is great.
So it's perfect. So pick them up, bring them back, wash them off, and basically have them paint away. And then you can make really cute little funny faces with them. And we have these googly eyes, which kids absolutely love.
I love the googly eyes addition to this.
Yes.
This is so cute. Sebastian, do you want to paint some rocks? Here you go. Those are eyes, yeah.
What color is that? Blue? So one thing I love to do with kids is to use it as a learning opportunity as well. So there's so many things you can teach them through arts and crafts, whether it's colors, textures, shapes, numbers, all of it. So always keep that in mind when you're working with your kids.
Can I just like paint too? 'Cause this is
Yeah, of
fun.
course. It's like the best mommy and me activity, right?
Wow.
Half the time moms are more into it than their kids are.
I know, they're like, move out of the way, I'm gonna finish this for you.
Yep. Wow, look at that.
Cool.
Look.
Cool.
And you can paint with other
Oh,
words
wow,
too.
okay.
There we
Look
go.
at you getting creative right here.
Good job.
Well, that's the table. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
All done, right?
Of course, a rainy day activity wouldn't be the same without some cars. You guys know how much Sebastian loves cars. So, what are we doing right
So
now?
this activity, basically just, obviously we all know Sebastian loves cars, right? There's no secret there. So we figured we could take his favorite toy and use it as an activity for him to paint. So what we're gonna do, something very untraditional, something he's not used to, is gonna dip his car in the paint. Let's hope he doesn't get too upset, right? So, Sebastian, can we take your car and put it in the paint? Oh, look at that.
Wow.
All right, now let's go vroom vroom.
Like this, look.
Wow! And look at that. So we're gonna take this, and the wheels are basically making awesome prints on the paper.
Cool.
So we're not using canvas this time around. We're using butcher paper, and with this paper, we could ultimately take it and use it as wrapping paper, right? So if you have a holiday coming up or a birthday or anything, you
we
can take
wrap dead as presents.
Yeah, we can take your kids' artwork and turn it into wrapping paper, which
I
is
love
awesome.
that. Can Mama do it with this car? Look.
Wow! Look at that.
Wow, cool.
Let's do it again.
I think we found his favorite activity.
Yes, I can't wait to see him doing this every day now. It's a little bit more messy than in playing with cars, but hey, whatever keeps them busy.
Well,
right?
you're going to start to get gift wrap paper like
yes,
this.
I'm all for it. All right. Can we take it and put it here now?
Let's put on the paper.
Wow.
Look at that.
Ooh, look at that.
The smile on his face says it all.
Let's do it again.
More paint.
Good job. Okay, roll it. Roll it. Good job.
And what's great about these paints, like they wash off so easily.
If they're washable, they're non-toxic, they're safe, and we're actually using all Crayola paints. That's pretty much my go-to all the time with the kids, because every mom asks like, oh, is this safe? Is it gonna wash off? So don't be scared if it gets messy, if it gets on your clothes, even if they eat it, it's okay. We obviously don't want that, but it's at least
Should we do a handprint while your hands are dirty?
Yes. Good job.
Wow. So the next one we're gonna do, I literally just grabbed some leaves from right outside the house, and we're gonna let Sebastian paint them
Yes.
and do like little stamps on the canvas.
All right. Sebastian, what color do we want to start with? You want to do yellow? Orange? Which one? Which one do you want? Green. Perfect. All right.
Let's paint the leaves, and we're gonna use them as stamps.
There we go.
Sebastian,
Can we
look.
paint this?
Look, Mama's gonna show you. Look what Mama's doing. Stamp!
Can
Wow!
we do it again?
Wow! You're gonna paint Mama. This has been so much fun. Thank you so much for coming over and painting with us, right, Sebastian? And we're gonna leave all of Leanna's information in the description below. Minnie and Me Arts and Crafts. Yay!
Yes, thank you so much.
And
for
they
having
are
us.
local in LA, so you guys can hire her for your next event. Yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.